How I make a natural soap. Fill a mason jar to the 3-cup line. Here's the finished product. Peel 2 citrus fruits. Take the peels, put them in the water, and pour baking soda in. I happen to be at the end of my baking soda, so I'm just going to use it all. You can see a little gathering on the bottom there. Put a lid on it. And shake it. Let this sit for a week or two and it'll start to turn yellow. I rotate it every now and then. And then in another couple days I'll strain this into a squirt bottle and use it as a gentle hand soap. And you can use it to rinse your vegetables. It's got the vitamin C from the fruit rinds and the cleaning power of the baking soda. It's gentle, nice little easy soap.